Want to turn 613 blonde hair into a beautiful ash blonde? Stick with me and I'm going to show you how. Creme de La Fam over here, also known as Pam Limtanga, and today we're going to be turning this hair into a beautiful ash blonde for less than 80 bucks. I got this hair from My Hair online. Find them on Instagram. They are at myhairofficial_. This hair is Peruvian. It's 12 inches and the price is 1,650 rand. They also gave me this card, which is super cute. But let's get into the business. So first things first, pour about 2 tablespoons of silver shampoo into lukewarm water. I got this new light silver shampoo from Discount for about 80 bucks. There are other brands that are really good as well, so do make sure you make the right choice, otherwise it is all the same thing. The next step is to submerge all your hair into the mixture. A mistake that I made was putting one bundle at a time in the water, which caused the hair to be a little bit inconsistent in terms of the color. So I would advise that you time yourself and also put the hair all at the same time in the water. Another useful tip is that try using as little purple shampoo as you can, and you can add as you go. Remember not to add the purple shampoo directly onto the hair, otherwise uzokhala. Another reason why I prefer using purple shampoo as opposed to using actual color is that it is not permanent and you can literally change it anytime you like. Look at that beautiful color. To maintain the hair's silky and soft finish, the next step is to use conditioner and submerge all the hair into the water and conditioner mixture. It is evidently inconsistent because I left the other bundles a bit longer than the others. However, it is not permanent, so it means I can always make the color deeper or remove it after some time. So next up, we're packing the hair and taking it to the salon for it to be made into a wig. And because the lockdown has been eased, we can now go to the salon and lay our hair. Who is? Hot hair. Is this? Okay. If you can lay your own wig, I'd advise you do so at home. However, if you're going to the salon, make sure you take all the necessary safety precautions to stay COVID-19 free, because you can't wear a mask while laying your wig. And look at that, it is coming together. I must add that I used all my bundles instead of using a couple of them. Now it looks a bit bulky at the back, but I will rectify it over some time. But for now, let's enjoy the sledge. It's coming together. Oh, hey, would you look at that? Who is this? I am going to need you to pay for the honey when you're seeing me in the streets. Can't ask for picture. Because what? You did not pay for the honey. What? In the words of Grace Ajilore, you have to pay for the honey. What is this? I cannot believe it. Ladies and gentlemen, slayed, done, dusted. Who this? Oh my word. I'm unable to I'm unable to find the ability. Guys, I'm obsessed with this color on me. I never thought I'd pull it off. Actually, I've always known that I'd pull it off. Let me not lie, because I'm that girl, you know, especially after the short hair, because I just feel like the short hair was a trial of like what would suit me and what wouldn't. So the blonde short hair, that is. So I'm so happy. I look snatched. For days. To celebrate my 10k subscribers milestone, I have a little something for you up on my Instagram. You might just want to check it out. Ciao for now.